Hi, welcome to MentoMind. Today I'm going to talk about Resource Center that we just recently added into the platform. So you can see on the left you have the Resource Center, and on the right you can arrange all your resources. The resources can be your PDF files, your YouTube videos, link to your website or any other resource. So how do you do that? So on the right you have this button called Create New. So you basically create a folder, and folder is where you kind of decide the permission, who should be able to see the resources in this folder. So let's take an example of a folder where you're going to put resources. So say Desmos tips and tricks, and you can choose if you want to give access to this folder to everybody within your organization or a particular class. So if you choose the classes option, you can choose what classes you want to give permission to, and then you say publish, and that adds the new folder. Now you can notify our students that this is a new resource and they should just go check it out. You can also share the resource. What that means is it's going to provide you a unique link that you can put it on your website or on social media, and people can just click on that link and access your resources. So what happens, like what do you put inside the folder? So you go inside and you have various things that you can do. You can add a PDF, so you can upload your PDF, put the name and description and publish it, or you can put your YouTube links. It can be your own YouTube videos or somebody else's that you would want your students to take a look. So you put the name, description, the YouTube URL, and you publish that. You can also add reference to some websites if you want, so you can provide that link for that website onto this field and publish it. Now once you have published your resources, students will either get the notification or they will go to the resource center on their side to access those resources. So if I switch to the student view, so this is what the students see, resource center, and you can just see all these resources here. So a student can see the list and say they click on this YouTube video, and they will be able to play that video right inside the platform. And so you can arrange these resources according to the weeks, like say for example it's a 8-week or 12-week SAT program, and you can divide all your resources into week 1 folder, week 2, and put all the videos and resources inside those. Any question, just let me know. amit.jen@mentomind.com. Thank you.